My dear little ones, how are you? Hope all of you are fine. Hey, do you like to listen to poems and in English? There are many and wonderful poems in English which give great messages to us. Shall I recite one for you? The poem is written by the most famous poet in English named as Robert Frost. Before reciting this poem, let me ask you one thing. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? Yes, it's Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, had towards his later years kept a book close to him. It was even there at his bedside table as he lay dying. The book was of Robert Frost, and on one page featuring the poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. What's the name of the poem? Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. Who is the poet? It's Robert Frost. Shall I recite? Do listen. Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village, though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near. Between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy flake. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. The last four lines of the poem were underlined by Nehruji. I think you understood the poem. The poem means a lot to different people, but the general version is about a person who is staring at solitude or even death, which is comforting and peaceful, which does not have any social obligations. He knows his path is nearing an end. But that does not mean he can slow down. He needs to move on and accomplish a lot before he says his final farewell. Or final farewell means death. Before death, even though if we are having many colorful and peaceful and comfortful life, we should not stop there. We should move on to accomplish something new, accomplish our aim. Okay, so never be lazy and never stop anywhere, even though if it's beautiful. We have miles to go before our death. We have many more to accomplish. Thank you very much for listening. Do listen to more poems yet to come. Okay, thank you once again. This is Preetha Nair from Alanallur.